today is kind of bittersweet because I'm actually planning to head off to the dealership this morning to say goodbye to Lexi. I'll definitely miss this car. And quite possibly say goodbye to Truckee too. We'll see if it all works out. But if it does, I'll be able to snap my fingers and say we traded for this. My magic worked. Let's get these cars all cleaned out real quick, just the garbage and stuff. I mean, they're relatively clean already. Yeah, I really liked the Lexus. It took me a while to get to this point where I'm willing to sell it, trade it in. I think I just didn't want to get into a truck that I wasn't gonna need. And now that these toys have manifested and we're more into our desert hobby than ever, it's just, you know, our needs and our lifestyle changes. When I bought this, I had no RV, I had no toys, I had no trailer, I had no truck. So this was my toy. But we're gonna switch that up today. Probably vacuum it out too, just a little bit. It's really not bad at all. It definitely will vacuum it out. All right, Lexus is ready. Peace out, Lexi. Gonna miss you. That beautiful interior. Beautiful back seat. Fit all 3 car seats. Panoramic sunroof. Huge trunk and cargo. All with the Mark Levison sound system. I'll take you guys on a cruise on the way to the dealership in here. Time to go clean out the truck. So we gotta start with the truck bed on the truck because there's trash in it. It's not trash, I need that. But wheel chocks. Spare oil. Hashtag old truck problems. Now this one is dirty, especially in the back seat. This has just never been cleaned. Look at this. This is bad. So this is gonna take a little while. Also, this is screwed into the seat, so we'll be here for a couple 20-30 minutes here. Let's get this done. Now, the problem with this truck is too, it has a leak from right here, from the ceiling. And you could see some water spotting already up there, but it leaks into the cab. One seat out, you can see the state of this truck. Here, it's pretty rough. This is my old beater, that's why. Make no mistake, I beat on it. All right, making progress. Got both back seats out. Got a lot of stuff in here that has to get saved too. All right, trailer brake controller is removed. This needs to get installed in my RV now. The truck's cleaned out, Lexus is cleaned out, all good to go to the dealer. Say bye. So this might be our last ride in the Lexus, guys. So after I drop you off at Papa and Grandma's, I'm going to the dealership.
Yeah. It's colder than the freezer, actually. Really. Turn it on.
Gonna miss this car for sure. Well, we made it to the dealership, but there's literally nowhere to park. I don't know where Allison went. The not so fun part.
Oh, you're recording this?
A little bit.
Oh.
I recorded this part. Got the truck, baby. Nice truck, man. Very nice truck. be a monster.
Nice truck, buddy.
Yeah.
Most important thing, the winner has to match.
Well, guys, we're not in the Lexus anymore. We got the 2500, baby. It's very nice. Really nice truck. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but the mountains in the background are beautiful. The new Ram 2500 with the 6.4 liter Hemi and the 410 gear actual ratio. Opted for the bighorn trim. Already got a little dirt on it. That's what Matthew's talking about. Beautiful truck. Beautiful truck. It's got the black accents all around. Pretty basic trim and interior, nothing too fancy. The center console is very nice. A lot of features here, a lot of adjustable storage, different options. A glove and other little storage. I really like the seats. The seats are really nice in the interior. Got the connected features. I haven't set those up yet. Sunglass pot. You know, interior lights. It's got some good accent lighting on the outside and utility lights, 4-wheel drive. Something I didn't realize is it has the neutral select, which leads me to believe it might actually be flat towable by our motorhome. I don't know if our motorhome can handle it, but yeah, so this is it. Already got the protectors in the back seat and on the back of the seats. These have been with me since 2021, these seat protectors for the car seats, and they have really worked out. This thing's a monster. Feels and and drives like a diesel. Has the simplicity of a gas. So yeah, we'll look forward to getting to test it out and use it in future videos, and I'm sure you guys will learn a lot about it along with me as I get to using it. But thanks for watching, guys, and I'm just gonna hang out with Matthew and check out this new truck.